anyone out there is trying to get the heat shield off in their VORTEC or LS engine, I went around town yesterday trying to find some hook-in pliers, and went to NAPA. They wanted $50 for a pair that I wasn't even sure that they were right size. Anyway, I ended up going over to Harbor Freight, getting a set of 3 hose grip pliers, and the largest ones in the set are absolutely perfect for gripping the spark plug heat shield. This is a 2006 Silverado 2500. I've got the 6-liter VORTEC in it, and I'm just finishing up here with putting a new set of plugs in, and these are absolutely perfect. I didn't have to modify them at all. I'm able to hit an angle on every single plug to get the heat shield off with no damage, and I think it was $13 or $15 for the set of 3, so you can't beat that with a stick. And work on all the LS engines that have the heat shield. Even I've got my 05 GTO there. The 3/4 inch size is just perfect, and you don't have to spend an arm and a leg to do it. So anyway, that's just my little tip. Thanks. Hope that helps somebody.